It is quite apparent that even to the disoriented observer, I am right, and I am in tune with the ancestors, and I think faster, and they're jealous, so they want to slow down my thought process with drugs. They want to mess up my mind-body-soul connection, my hand-eye coordination for you geeks who need it in simpleton, ignorant, don't know African martial arts terms. But we are the top. They are cheating-ass racist people. It's about time we get our rightful names, our titles, our records back. And the white man admits that we're above him. With all due respect, I'm not racist. The black man is superior, and I demand a black virgin because you people have been controlling reproduction. Whether or not I sleep with her is up to me. Right now I feel asexual, which I was told means non-sexual. You know, I don't feel attracted to any sex, and I hate gays more than anything. And no matter what, I swear to God, I'm gonna push that line against you gays for all you've done. You thought you could marry your way into my family and shut me up and turn my family against me by impregnating a bisexual? I hate you so much, man. I swear to God. Let all LGBT community know that even though that one girl in Santa Cruz is my close friend and we kind of, messed around a little bit, and I was going to piss some of you off, and I'm sorry. That's the truth. It has to be told. You're not going to operate behind the scenes and kill my people and control reproduction. You're not going to disgrace my ancestors. You're not going to spit on their graves. And yes, I drank 4 beers in the last maybe 5 hours or so. I might be a little off. Okay, I think it's more like 4 hours. And I smoked a little bit of weed. I'm at the park, parked. And yes, I lightweight break the law. Fuck the law. And yes, come and give me a hard time. What are you going to do? And that's part of why they have a problem with me. Think about the LA units. Why was the Rampart unit and other units in LA formed to take out people who the law could not, who were good at breaking the law, right? In a way that was not consistent with the white power structure's demands, the CIA and them, right? As it pertains to drugs, controlling sexual behavior, because the people already control the money. They now want to control their behavior. When they go on and about how a small group of people controls a ridiculous amount of money, and they talk about percentages and it changes slightly, but the idea is the same, it's pretty much very obvious what is going on when you do your own research on top of that. We need to stop them. And unless you give me what I want, because of the disrespect from the black community and every other community, that black girl behind me today at the gas station, okay, yeah, I didn't have time to cut my hair. Yeah, there's a little stuff on my white gi pants, or my white capoeira kind of pants, kung fu pants. But you didn't have to disrespect me subtly without saying a word by showing up on time. All you people, I am the prince of the Igbos. You swore an oath to the enemy. All secret societies are no longer Igbos, and that is the ruling of the Prince of Light, the top martial artist, and you don't have to respect it. That's why there's different tribes within Igbo and different tribes within Africa. And I know this can cause another division, but God wanted me to do this. I'm sorry, brothers. If you aren't with me, you are with me. And I want no questions, no asking to compromise. You can humbly give advice one time, briefly, concisely, and to the point. A coaching, coherent argument. Don't disrespect me and play stupid as my older brother has, or I will cut you off as I did my older brother that I love so much. Please don't do that to you or me. I'm doing this for God. I don't give a shit about financial stability, and I do consider what will happen to everybody if I keep doing what I'm doing. Birth pains in the kingdom of God. Carry your cross, or I don't feel sorry for you, because God told you what to do, and you chose to do what Babylon told you to do, and to start pushing their philosophies, and start telling people that you don't feel sorry for them because they didn't do what Babylon told them to do. Well, I say now, the end is near, and I don't know the time, but it's because of what you people are doing. And a few thousand years is a short period of time. We look at human history, dinosaurs, and the history of the planet. I look at things from different perspectives, and I've come to the same conclusion as Yeshua, some people call him. I don't know his real name, thanks to you Babylonian people twisting language. And I don't care what you white people have to say about what you think his name is, or any of you house niggas. You can fuck off. Present me a naked virgin in my bed covered in money. Use your timing to put her there. Fuck what my parents think, or fuck off. And even then you will submit to my judgment as the top martial artist and the head of the Leopard Society, the true head. Not some house nigga that snakes me with his butt buddies when no one's looking. Fuck that! What? We got a problem? I'm not threatening anyone or myself. Just making it clear that those who take my side already say, what, nigga, we got a problem. And we will die for what we believe.